Are you looking for a video that can help you speaking English fluently? Are you one of those people who are struggling to have English conversation despite knowing all the grammar rules, vocabulary, idioms and phrases, and even pronunciation? Do you feel nervous and anxious while interacting with anyone in English? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you are in the right place. Hello lovely people, this is Priyanka Chaudhary and welcome to another English lesson today. In this video, I am going to share with you the best and unique solution to all of your problems regarding with learning a language. Before I proceed further, I would like to share with you the source of inspiration behind creating this video. Well, recently I have finished reading a book, and the book is The Power of Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. This book actually explores the idea that the subconscious mind of ours has the power to influence our thoughts, behavior, and ultimately the life. This book suggests that by using the potential of our subconscious mind, we people can overcome challenges and achieve our goals. Now you must be thinking, what is she talking about? Subconscious mind again and again? We are not able to understand anything. So don't worry, let me make you understand. Please give me some time to make you understand. Well, this book says that we have two minds, conscious mind and subconscious mind. Whatever the information we receive, only 10% of it gets stored in our conscious mind, and 90% of the information gets stored in our subconscious mind. Our conscious mind deals with short-term memory. We forget very easily. Whatever the information gets stored in our conscious mind, we tend to forget it. Besides this conscious mind of ours deals with planning, calculation, critical thinking, and analysis. On the other hand, our subconscious mind deals with emotions, feelings, relationships, patterns, spiritual connections, and it has long-term memory, intuitions, etc. Let me make you understand this with another example. Remember, when you solve any maths question, then you try to calculate. You put a lot of your efforts in calculation, thinking about the formulas, right? And then you try to solve the question. When you are planning, calculating, you're thinking critically, then you are using your conscious mind. On the other hand, when you build any relationship with anyone, that moment you are not actually planning, thinking. And if you are in a genuine relationship, then it is your subconscious mind that is actually working at that time. As I said before, our subconscious mind deals with emotions, feelings, patterns, right? And when you even sleep, at that time you start dreaming. So when we dream, it is our subconscious mind that helps us to dream. I hope now it is making somewhere sense to you. You will be amazed to know that our subconscious mind is 30,000 times powerful than our conscious mind. And whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish it with emotions and repetition, it will one day become a reality. Let me tell you some more interesting facts about our subconscious mind. First thing is, it never sleeps. It is always awake. That is interesting. And the next thing is, our subconscious mind remembers for a long time period. It hardly forgets the things. Besides this, it keeps you from being overwhelmed by your senses. It learns through habituations. It takes all messages literally. It has no verbal language of its own. It speaks to you in your dreams. It's not logical, but it is emotional. It does millions of things at once. It's more powerful than the conscious mind. And how is it going to help us in learning a language, which is our goal, and that's what we want to achieve, right? We want to become fluent in English. And how can we do this? This is what we are going to discuss in this video. There are 5 learnings that I have discovered after reading this book. First one is positive affirmation. Firstly, we need to understand that why is it like with us that when we are able to read English well, we can understand people speaking English, we are very good at writing and expressing ourselves in terms of writing, then why we are not able to speak English confidently? Why do we hesitate a lot? Why is there so much anxiety? Why do we feel so nervous and fear? This is happening because we have given a lot of negative commands to our subconscious mind. As I said before, that our subconscious mind does not think critically, right? It just accepts the instructions that is given to the mind. So we have been instructing our subconscious mind on the negative things, negative attributes, that I cannot speak, I feel so anxious, I feel so nervous, I will be embarrassed, I will be making mistakes. And after hearing all these negative traits, your subconscious mind has somewhere accepted this fact that yes, you cannot do this. And this is the reason you are not able to do this in spite of knowing everything about English language, because you have told yourself a lot of negative things. So this is what this first point talks about, that positive affirmation. Start telling yourself that I can do this first. If I can understand, I can write, I can read English, why cannot I speak? I can speak English. I have spoken English before as well. I have tried. And I'm getting better at it every day. Speaking English is not a big deal. Tell yourself all the positive things, that I am getting better each day. Day by day, I am getting better at speaking English. And it will work only when you are going to repeat these positive affirmations every day, each day. So you know what happens, as I just said, that whatever the instructions you will be giving to your subconscious mind, it will accept it. So this is what you need to do. Instruct your subconscious mind that yes, you can do this, and you are speaking well, and you made less mistakes today, and you spoke far better than yesterday. Why are you not looking at the brighter side of your speaking? Why do you keep pulling your own leg? And trust me, it will work. Try this. Start telling yourself that I am good at speaking and I can speak English. I am not going to think about my mistakes. It doesn't matter at all. And I'm speaking better day by day. That's all. And here is the second learning. This is visualization. Visualization is another powerful tool of subconscious mind that will help you a lot to speak English, to get better in speaking English. Well, how it actually works. How many times have you visualized yourself speaking English fluently? Have you ever done this before? Have you ever imagined, even in your dreams, that you are speaking in English in front of a huge number of people and you are delivering a speech? Have you ever imagined? Have you ever done so? I'm sure never ever. Why is it so? Because of lack of self-belief. You have never ever trusted yourself that you can do this. So that's what you actually need to do. Start imagining, start visualizing that you are speaking in English, you are in the middle of a meeting, and you are expressing yourself in terms of speaking in front of so many people. And imagine that you are a part of an English conversation. You are in a restaurant, or let's say you are at a party, and there you are interacting with the people speaking English. Start visualizing. This will help you to boost the confidence in you. This will actually make you realize that you can do this, and if you can imagine, you can make it real. Why not? If we people can imagine something, then we can make it real. How? I mean, just think that nowadays we can see aeroplanes, we can see helicopters flying in the sky. Why? Because one person imagined or dreamt of flying in the sky, right? This is the reason, like, the imagination becomes reality. If your imagination has that dedication and power to accomplish your goal, then yes, you can make it. So the person who dreamt of flying in the sky actually discovered the airplane, resulted into the invention of airplane, helicopters, and so on. So this is what I'm talking about. Visualization actually plays a significant role in achieving our goals, and that's what you can also do this. After watching this video, if you're really passionate about speaking English, try visualizing yourself speaking in English and do this every day. As I said, subconscious mind only works when you repeat to yourself that yes, you can do this, and you are visualizing this many times, or every day you are imagining yourself speaking English fluently, you are speaking with no errors, or you are speaking confidently, you are expressing yourself in the best possible way you can. So start imagining, start visualizing. And here is the third learning. This is believe in the subconscious mind. If you want to become fluent in English, if you want to achieve your goal, whatever it is, initially you have to put your belief in subconscious mind that yes, it is actually working. My subconscious mind is actually helping me to achieve my goal. It is all about belief and faith. Simple. This book entirely focuses on keeping faith and belief. So whatever you believe in, it actually becomes true. Let me tell you with this an example. Have you ever seen people getting hypnotized? You might have seen this somewhere, or maybe in any video, or maybe in front of you live somewhere. So the hypnotic people in the hypnotized people in hypnotic state, what happens? They follow all the instructions that are given to them. The instruction of the person who is actually hypnotizing them, that person who is in the hypnotic state follows all the instruction, right? How does this happen? There is no magic, there is nothing. The instructor actually plays with the subconscious mind of the person who is in the hypnotic state. The instructor tells the person on whom he is practicing to hypnotize, he tells the person to close his eyes first. So why they are told to close their eyes? So that they can completely focus on their subconscious mind. This is the reason they are told to close their eyes. And the moment they close their eyes, they can focus, and they can pay their entire attention on the instructions that is given to them. And the instructor tells the person to follow the instruction many times. Like the instructor says something like, you are flying in the sky, imagine you are flying in the sky, you are flying in the sky, you are flying in the sky. And the same sentence, you are flying in the sky, is told to the person many times. And imagine now you are moving your hands in the sky like this, and the person who is in a hypnotic state actually starts doing this. Why does it happen? It happens just because of the repetition and the faith and the belief. So this is what I'm trying to make you understand, that it happens actually. If you believe in your subconscious mind, it actually becomes a reality. If you do not trust me, just follow what I'm saying after watching this video and do it on the regular basis. Repeat this on the regular basis, and if you find any changes, or whether it works or not, please let me know in the comment section whether it worked for you or not. So I request you to please follow this for a certain time period, and then let me know in the comments whether it worked for you or not. Believe that your subconscious mind is actually absorbing all the English language patterns, and it is helping you to speak English. If you are going to do this, you will see that your English is getting improved. You are becoming fluent in English. Trust me. Here is the fourth point, and this is goal setting. If you truly want your subconscious mind to assist you in speaking English, in becoming fluent in English, for that you need to set a clear and specific goal for yourself. Well, set a goal that in a specific time period, let's say 15 days or a month or 2 months, I am going to master the particular aspect of English. Let's say you are setting a goal for yourself that within a month I am going to master grammar, English grammar, or in the next month I am going to master the English vocabulary. I will try a lot, or I will practice speaking English, speaking advanced English. Any you can set any goal for yourself that you think you can achieve it in this much time period. So this is what this book says, that this power of subconscious mind actually works when you set particular goal for yourself, that this in this particular time period I am going to achieve this goal. And this goal can be your short term goal or long term goal. It all depends on your goal, that what is that goal that you actually want to acquire. So let's say you have set a goal for yourself that I'm going to learn English, I'm going to be good at spoken English in 3 months, let's say. Okay, so for that you need to practice. First of all, you need to practice learning. I'm not advising you to just forget doing anything and just keep faith in yourself, and just keep faith in your subconscious mind and do not learn anything. So this will not work like this. What I'm telling you to do is, you have been doing a lot of practice, you have been learning a lot of things in English, about English, even though you are not able to speak. It is because you have no faith in your subconscious mind. So this is what I'm trying to say to you, that if you have set a goal for yourself that in 3 months I'm going to be good at spoken English, it is going to happen when you will keep faith in your subconscious mind. Along with this, you will be repeating to yourself all the positive things, that yes, I can do this, I am speaking English on the regular basis and I am speaking well, I am a confident English speaker. Say all the positive affirmations. So this will work only when you will be following all the other previous 4 points that I have mentioned. Here is the 5th one: mental persistence. Learning a language can be challenging, and there are times when we feel frustrated, overwhelmed, and just feel like giving up. This is the time the concept of mental persistence help us to stay committed to our English language journey, even faced with many difficulties. Whenever you encounter a difficult grammar lesson or pronunciation issue or a challenging conversation, remind yourself of your determination to master English and don't give up. And that's it for today's video. Let me remind you all these 5 learnings from this book. Number 1, positive affirmation. 2nd, visualization. 3rd, belief in our subconscious mind. 4th, goal setting. And the 5th one is mental persistence. I have a strong faith that if you are going to follow all these learnings from this book, you are going to see the changes in you, and you are really going to boost your English speaking skills. If you have any suggestions for me, do let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, found it useful, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.